There is nothing to hide here, no way to pretend. We relate, we disagree, we disengage. We are running into each other. We are the song that writes itself. The melody replays in the key of elevated living. We forget the words, we never forget the feeling. Glory and divinity conduct our symphony. We are infinite affinity. Wrapped in sacred epiphany, we are meant for we. We are flowing, we are growing. We are open like the Red Sea. We walk through with confident uncertainty. We kneel here, we heal here. We open our hearts to the heavens. We use our tears to cleanse our canvas. The fear floods us, the love is electric. Self-inflicted pain, we dance in the rain till the fear is drained. 'Cause pain is the light, pain is insight. The body hurts but the spirit grows. The flesh is starving while wisdom overflows. I got a question only Lord knows. Does life birth us twice?